Oh, so you must be done with your self-portrait project. All right, so the next project that you're going to work on, ladies and gentlemen, is a project involving warm and cool colors. As you know, artists use the color wheel for a variety of reasons. The color wheel is made up from our three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And when we mix those colors together, we create the secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. When you combine all 6 colors together on the wheel, it creates the basic color wheel that we use in art class. So for this project, you're going to learn how artists separate that color wheel into warm colors and cool colors. And this is one of my favorite 4th grade projects. We are going to be working with oil pastels and watercolor to create these amazing warm and cool colored fall leaves. So first, let's talk about warm and cool colors. Artists take the color wheel and they separate it in half diagonally. So you have red, yellow, and orange as your warm colors, and green, blue, and purple as your cool colors. I always tell students, when you're trying to remember the 3 warm colors, think of something that is warm. A campfire is very warm. And if you were going to color in a picture of a campfire, you would use yellow, orange, and red, which are the warm colors. So if yellow, orange, and red are the warm colors, when you look at a color wheel, then obviously that must mean the other 3 are the cool colors. Think of green grass and cool running water. Blues, greens, and purples are your cool colors. So for this leaf project, you're going to be working with warm and cool colors. The first step is going to be to create a border and then to draw your leaf. When you get to the part where you add color with your oil pastels, you're going to have to choose warm or cool colors. This student chose warm colors for their leaf, red, orange, and yellow. If your leaf is warm colored, then that means your background is going to be cool colored, and this student went with blues and greens. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is an autumn leaves packet, a black crayon, a pencil, and a piece of watercolor paper. The first step is to create a border around the edge of your watercolor paper. Then you're going to draw a line at the bottom and a dot at the top. And you're going to connect that dot at the top with the line at the bottom, creating the outside shape of your leaf. It should go from the top of your border to the bottom of your border, filling the page. Then, once you have the outside shape of your leaf drawn, you're going to go in and add the details. The packet shows using a crayon, but I would start with pencil first. Once you have all of your lines drawn in black crayon, you're going to switch to oil pastels to add the color. If you choose to do warm colors on your leaf, then the pattern you create in the background will be cool colors. If you choose to do cool colors on your leaf, then your background would be warm color. It's okay to leave white spaces on your leaf and the background as shown here. We'll fill those in with watercolor later. Let's do a quick review. I would work with pencil first and go over your lines with crayon later. First, draw a border around the edge of your watercolor paper. Then you're going to make a line at the bottom for the stem of the leaf and a dot at the top. Draw the outside shape of your leaf from the dot at the top to the stem at the bottom. This will make sure that you fill up the whole space with your leaf. Go in and add your details to your leaf. Then go over your pencil lines with black crayon. Once that's finished, you're ready to work with oil pastels to add your color. Now go to the art store, Get a pencil, a black crayon, an autumn leaves packet, and a piece of watercolor paper, and get started.